Hello everyone and welcome. Are you looking for a way to monetize the Spicychat AI chatbot? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how. Please watch till the end. Spicychat AI helps you chat with AI girls. Now, how can we monetize this Spicychat AI chatbot? The first thing you can do is identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your chatbots? What are their needs and interests? Once you identify your target target audience actually, the next thing you do is choose the monetization model. Do you want it to be subscription model, pay per use, advertising, affiliate marketing, or data licensing? If you are choosing subscription model, which means that you will charge users a recurring fee for access to premium chatbot features or exclusive content. If it is pay per use, it means you're charging users for each interaction or conversation with the chatbot. If it's advertising, it means you will display ads within the chatbot interface or integrate relevant ads into the chatbot's responses. Next, affiliate marketing. You promote products or services within the chatbox and earn commissions on successful referrals. The last is data licensing. If your chatbot collects valuable user data with proper consent, you could potentially license this data to other businesses. Now, that is the first step, which is identifying your target audience. Second step, develop high quality chatbots. Create chatbots that are engaging, informative, and helpful. Offer unique and valuable services or information that users are willing to pay for. Please ensure smooth functionality. Ensure that your chatbots are reliable, easy to use, and free of technical glitches. Build a strong user base. Promote your chatbots by utilizing social media, content marketing, and other channels to attract users. You can also offer free trials or freemium models. Attract users with free access to basic features and then offer premium upgrades. Provide excellent customer support. Make sure you address user concerns and feedback promptly to build trust and loyalty. Don't forget to implement your chosen monetization model. Set clear pricing. That means determine fair and competitive pricing for your chatbot services. Integrate payment gateway. That means choose reliable payment gateway to facilitate secure interactions or transactions. Track user engagement. Monitor user activity and engagement metrics to evaluate the effectiveness of your monetization strategy. Don't forget to continuously improve. Gather user feedback. Persist regularly solicit feedback from users to identify areas for improvement. Analyze data to understand user behavior and preferences. And keep your chatbot updated with latest features, technologies, and industry trends. Important consideration: there must be transparency. Be transparent with users about how you're monetizing your chatbots. Consider the ethics. Ensure your monetization strategies are ethical and comply with relevant regulations like data privacy laws. Next, user experience. Prioritize your user experience over maximizing profits. A positive user experience is crucial for long-term success. Note that this information is for general guidance and does not constitute financial or legal advice. The specific monetization strategies that are suitable for your chatbot will depend on various factors, including your target audience, the nature of your chatbot, and the competitive landscape. So by carefully considering these steps and adapting them to your specific circumstances, You can effectively monetize your Spicychat AI chatbox and build a sustainable business. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.